We're gonna watch Brody dance. You ready? And do the twist. And do the twist. Good job twisting. Go up, get down, get back up and turn around. Can you point? And do the twist. And shake your hands. Can you stand on one foot and shake? You can do it. You are doing it. Your fingers and do the twist. Do the twist. You're a good twister. Woo! Fingers and yay! Take a bow, Brody.
When you paint, you get to use lots of bright colours. And yellow.
I don't know. Carson, wasn't that good?
And blue. And purple and green.
Can I see it?
Your brother did a great job, didn't he?
Can I see it?
And you can paint up
Can
and
I
down
see
and round
that?
and round.
Yes, you can,
You
honey.
can paint different coloured stripes. Or you can make spots with one colour and then paint over them with another colour.
Say it's December the 4th.
You can paint with a friend.
Carson had his 1-month checkup today, and he's over 10 pounds. He's gained 3 pounds in a month,
Oh, you can even see
which is no surprise because he's a little piglet.
You can paint pictures of people. Everyone's
Looky there.
painting is different.
Oh, okay.
I like it when people tell about their paintings.
Here you go, Brody. Wave to Mommy. Wave to the camera and say bye-bye.